Ooh. Nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Victoria Theaters. What time is it? 6:30? Oh, 5:30. 5:30. Oh, hello guys. And beautiful people. Wake up, wake up, wake up. How you guys doing today? Welcome back to my streaming TikTok live from San Francisco. House of Inspired by Kim. Rico baby. Hey, hey, hey. How are you? Rance Oliver. Hello, Rico. Hello. How are you? How you guys doing today? I am doing fantastic. As I promised, I'm gonna take you to the mission because perfect timing. I just got back from my friend's house. So here we are. We're gonna start from Mission and 16 and Mission. By the way, Mission Yunnan restaurant. This is one of my favorite Chinese food. Used to be. I come here a lot. Pan fried prawn, salt and pepper. Yum. Samoa 49ers. I love that area. Yes, 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 yes. Mission is a different neighborhood. Again, dark and bright. You will see it. But mostly, Mission District is famous for Latin culture district. Even though not all Latin people live in here, but it's just famous for that. You can take BART or bus, a Muni, take a BART from there. Thank you for just sending me gift. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey Laura. Usually it's really heavy this corner, this intersection. I think because the police is here, but it's not really heavy. But I think they changed now. There's no street vendor anymore, unless you have a permit. I saw some street vendor using a vest with the number and their name on it. So, yep, this is it. Mission and 16. Let's go from the left side. You see the tile? I think that is the represent the Latino culture. Are you in the Mission? Yes, I am in the Mission. I promise, right? I promise I'm gonna take you guys to the Mission District. So you're gonna see what's going on in Mission District while we are talking, while we see what's going on. I can tell you what's the restaurant recommendation in this area.
We used to walk together, remember?
Ooh. Hola Rico, how are you? I'm doing good. I'm doing fantastic today. Hey James, 16 emission. Yes, just pass it. Yeah. Monas Raphael. Oh, I need to get this one then. It looks like you, James. You need to get this one and this one. Right? Or this one for you. This one for you. Oh, I need this. Money, 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 money. Man, I'm so glad I live in the country instead of the city. Oh, countryside. How are you?
How are you?
Good, good, good. So Some businesses started closing up. Yep. Well, it's different, my friends. Some countryside is good, some cities good. You know, you if you ever try it, go try it. Live in the big city. Hopefully you like it. If you don't like it, well, my beautiful lady. Oh, beautiful. Why closing so early? It's 6, almost 6. Almost 6 o'clock. Some still open, like barber shop. You know, you can see that. LV. Just looking. Beautiful. Beautiful shoes. You want a cactus? Oh, what's that? Cactus? I have lived both and I prefer the city. Yeah, it's different. Different experience, you know. I like it both too, but I prefer in a big city for now. Although, like 8 years ago, I almost moved to Portland in the countryside. Christopher, say hi. Hi, how are you, Christopher? Unicorn, San Francisco, Mission District. Wake up, wake up. Wake up, people. Wake up, wake up. Watch me, people. Watch me, ne. Watch me, ne. I live in Portland. If you like sewing, that you get the fabric store. What is this? I prefer the city, all diverse ethnicity. Yeah, I like that. Especially San Francisco is the best for that because we're so diverse in here. Who is that? Sending me like dancing. Is that like, who's that dancing? The 80s one? Where are you moving to? The legging for everyone. I love San Francisco. Thank you. Are you gonna show your apartment tonight? No. Look at the dragon fruit. Where's the tails? Only the body. No. Look at the dragon fruit. Where's the tails? Only the body. No. Look at the dragon fruit. Where's the tails? Only the body. And this one. Oops, I thought somebody running for what? You miss your bus or what? Are you running because you need to use the restroom? The hell? This is used to be theater, I can tell. But now closed. It's been like burned down one time. Yeah. Yeah. Come on guys, wake up guys. This is used to be Gracias Madre. Yeah. Now it's closed. I'm surprised. It's such a busy restaurant. Even during the pandemic, it was busy, but now it's closed. Suspicious. Suspicious. Let's buy some furniture. Today's furniture. Oh, for JD Pants. Do you have JD Pants? Loves it. Where is that? Looking for couch for JD Vance. Oh my god. Mission is so different. That's why. It's different. It's how call it? I just love it in here. Let's go. Look at that. You can pin a comment now. Type a comment to pin. Moderator can do this too. Oh, I don't know. I just wanna walk. TikTok says to me so many rules and blah 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 blah. I just wanna walk. Sometimes they're asking me, "Oh, promote your life for what?" People like it, they're gonna watch it. Oh my God, Cuba, Eagle, Jewelry. Oh, I thought the country. Barber shop. Wanna get your haircut? What model do you want? Oh, he's cute. The hair's cute too. This one too. This one. I don't have hair anymore. I don't really care what model. If I go to Chinatown, to the barbershop in Chinatown, they're just asking me, what number? That's it. I feel like this is not in SF. Yes, this is the mission. Guatemalteca. Yes, this is a Latin culture district. Latin district. And in fact, if you come here in May, in end of May, the end of May, there will be a carnival. A carnival end of May in the Mission, the closed Mission Street. And you can check it out. I upload it to my YouTube channel as well. Thrift store. Somebody, Rico, when I see your apartment, one day, if it is rain.